The scale printing tool is available from the Print Tools menu. Under Print Tools, let's choose Scale Printing. And if we want to view previous or historic print jobs, we can choose Print Jobs here. And we'll have a list of all the jobs printed based on our login and our role. If we click on a previous record, this was printed today, and click the PDF button, it opens up the previous PDF and we can see our print job. This could be then saved to your computer or printed out. Notice these are our planning applications with our legend, a title, scale and date options, and also our copyright information. Let's close that historic print job, and now let's choose to create a new print job, so press Create New. Your administrator will configure all of these details for you, so the paper sizes you can choose. Let's choose an A4 landscape. And the templates available. Let's say I'm working in a planning team, I'm going to choose a planner's template. We can then choose to print to any printer in the office, or in this case a PDF. Next, let's choose the paper scale, so that could be any scale defined by your administrator, but also the current scale of the map. Let's choose 1:750, and then finally which base map. So even though we're showing Ordnance Survey master map data here, we could always print and show a different base map, so that could be Bing, Mapbox, etc. In this case, let's choose Ordnance Survey black and white. Finally, before we create the print job, we can change the title, the date and the scale. If we're happy with our options, let's press Place, and an A4 landscape 1:750 scale piece of paper is added into MapThat. If we're missing parts of our map, we can always move or recenter the map, replace our paper, and once we're happy, press Print. That now creates a print job that's being ran by the server. Here I have a print job ID, so I can note that down and I can know that that's my print job, 13640. Press OK. And then within a few seconds, depending on the size of the print job and the scale of the print job, if we go to Print Jobs, here we'll have a list of our print jobs and we can automatically see our print job has been completed. Let's choose our print job from the list, click on the Download PDF file, and our PDF file will open into an internet browser. Again, we've got the planning applications. This time we're printing against Ordnance Survey black and white master map. And we've got the legend, the scale, and our copyright information.